Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore on how to block buyer on eBay. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to log in using our credentials. You can continue with your Facebook account, Google or Apple, or this might be the perfect time for you to create an account. You have the option to choose from personal or business. Just provide your full legal name, email, password, and follow the on-screen instructions by clicking on the Create Account button. And once you've done that, just go to the main dashboard of your account. And from here, as you can see, there's an option like Activity, Messages, and Account. Click on Account. Now from here, all you're gonna do is hover down to Account Preferences and then click on Permissions. Now, once you click permissions, you need to go down in the left side panel of your dashboard, click on selling. And from here, click on selling preferences. Now, hover down to where it says your buyers. Now, click on blocked buyer list, edit. Now, from here, obviously, you can simply block buyers from your listings. If you don't wish to sell to certain eBay members, you can put them on the blocked list because members on that list will be unable to bid, buy, make an offer, or send you messages to any of your listings. And again, you can block up to 5,000 members. And to block a member, all you're gonna do is enter the member's username and click on submit. Okay, say for example, if this is the person that we're going to block. Just scroll down to the username. Click on that and simply paste it here. And then obviously you need to click on submit. And again, you have the option to block up to 5,000 members, right? And you can store a past block buyer list by clicking on the restore list. Remember, you can only restore block buyers list from 3 months prior to today. You need to inform the members so they can resume bidding on your items. And if you are lost during the whole navigation process, and again, if you are having problems blocking some buyer here in eBay, and the steps that we showed you doesn't work, you might want to click on help and contact, and from there the eBay customer service will be more than glad to assist you on how to successfully block a buyer on eBay or a bidder in some situations. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.